Good day. We are looking at Stoic sample questions. In the previous video, we did questions 1 and 2. And now it is time to head to number 3. So, step 1 says balance chemical equation, and we've got that for you. Sulfuric acid, potassium hydroxide, you say, whoa, that looks like a neutralization reaction. Now, over here, I've written down volume and concentration. I could have written down mass. All it's telling me is it's not moles. You can tell where to start because it talked about the volume and concentration of potassium hydroxide. So that's our starting point. Now, what I have to remember is I can't use milliliters. I've got to convert that to liters. So it's going to be 0.0159 liters. Then I multiply it by 0.150, and I get a very small number of moles, and that's step 2. Step 3 says, hey, how many moles of sulfuric acid? Well, destination has a coefficient of 1 coming from a 2, so I multiply by 1 over 2, 1/2. Now that I've multiplied by 1 over 2, it becomes a simple conversion, but let's see what we have to find. We've got our moles, we have our volume, so we're going to take our moles, divide by our volume in liters, and that will give us our concentration. So if I take 0.00119 moles and I divide by 0.010000 liters, then I get my 0.119 big M. This arrow is just there for no apparent reason. Hopefully that makes sense. In Chemistry 12, this is the kind of calculation we do a lot of. This is an example of a titration, but it's all Stoic. So if you take Chem 12, you can't forget Stoic for next year.